In this video, I have demonstrated how to create a BOM, Bill of Materials. First, navigate to the Manufacturing module and select the BOM module. Once you enter the BOM section, click on Add BOM. Then, select the item and verify the company name and item UOM. After that, enter the required quantity. In the raw material section, enter the item code, quantity, UOM, and rate. Next, go to the operations section and select the routing process. The operations will be automatically populated based on the selected routing. Once all details are entered, review the data carefully and click Save. After saving, verify all the information again before submitting and then click Submit. This marks the end of the video.